Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read by the title, today I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my master or my primary bathroom. I pretty much got in my guest bathroom slash like main bathroom that everybody uses together, but my bathroom in my room, the primary bathroom, I hadn't really got it together, so I did get some things to like decorate my bathroom up a little bit. It's a lot bigger than the other bathroom. As you guys can see, it's like really echoey in here as well. So I'm just kind of adding things in slowly just to kind of decorate it, and I got a few more things. So I definitely want to get those things in and, you know, just kind of decorate it up a little bit. I still fully don't have everything I need, but as time goes on, I will. But I do want to just decorate with the stuff that I do have just to go ahead and add it into my restroom. Now, it's not terribly dirty, but I do have to like wipe down the counters first and sweep and do things like that. So I want to do that before I actually start to decorate, and I am just going to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I would love to have you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and if you are returning, thanks so much for returning to the video. And we're going to get right into cleaning and decorating. And guys, while we're here, this is most of the stuff that I got to decorate in here. Mainly just some little pictures. I also have like a little stand, and I'll show you guys that in a minute as well. So I am going to pretty much put the stand in my toilet room, but these are all of the other decorations that I have. My walls, this is my bathroom here. As you can see, the walls are like blank. I don't have anything on the walls in here. So I bought some little extra pictures to put on the walls, and that vase to go on the counter. It's gonna be for my makeup thing, and then that is gonna be for like soap and stuff like that. But we're gonna get it all cleaned up first before we actually start to like decorate and stuff like that. Here is my countertop area, so I just have to pretty much get this situated.
I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? I might lose my mind, waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me, I'm doing decently, just glad that I can be, yeah. I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Went to bed at noon, couldn't put my phone down, scrolling patiently. It's all the same to me, just faces on a screen, yeah. I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I
Alright guys, so this is my countertop setup. This is how it turned out. And I do have like another clear little option that I want to put on this countertop, but for right now, this is how it turned out. This is this big pretty vase that I got. I think it's just so beautiful, and I wanted something on the counter just to add a little bit more height in, and I think it fits perfect. Those little flowers I got from the Dollar Tree, and I've had those on my kitchen counter, and now I've got them in here, and I kind of just stuffed the vase with some paper just to kind of give it a little bit of height so that the flowers can sit up in it. And then just end up putting my jewelry little caddy back on here. I ended up adding that black soap dispenser that I also got from Dollar Tree to just fill it up versus having the little soap thing here. And then also the new I added was this little tray to put my perfumes on. I mean, they were fine sitting on the counter, but I just wanted to make it a little bit more aesthetic looking. So I have them on this tray here. And then I also have room to like other like little jewelry pieces or anything I want to place there, and put my little flower and my candle. I put the flower on top of the candle just to give it a little height. And then the picture that I already added on there. And then now I'm going to add so freely in the city's home here.
Puddles at my feet, got no place to go. Laughing with the thunder in a sky aglow. Dancing in the rain, best mistake. Ariana Grande, heartbeat like a train. Best mistake. Ariana Grande.
All right, so I got it up there, and I think it fits perfect. It ties in with everything that I have going on over here. And the only thing is I have to get some more towels, because right now I just have a rack that I'm using there, and then we have towels on that side. But once I get like the towels and everything, I think it'll pretty much tie in well. But yeah, I think it's really, really cute right there. Now I have to put pictures on this wall here because it is blank, but I do want to go ahead and tweak the floors and everything before I actually
laughing with the thunder in a sky aglow. Dancing in the rain, got no place to go. Laughing with the thunder in a sky aglow. Dancing in the rain, best mistake. Ariana Grande, heartbeat like a train. Best mistake. Ariana Grande, like.
Now that I've gotten the floor swept up, I'm going to go ahead and take out both of these little trash cans in my bathroom. One goes in the little toilet room, and I just keep the other one right here on this wall. But I'm going to go ahead and empty these, and then we can go ahead and hang those pictures on that wall over there. Empty, so I'm just going to put this one back. So I got you guys a little up high so that you can see me put the pictures on the wall. But I'm basically gonna place
Flashing through the day, nothing in our way. Rain's a sweet ballet, let's never stay away. Clouds may hide the sun, but we find our fun. Dance until we're spun, till the night is won. Flashing through the day, nothing in our way. Rain's a sweet ballet, let's never stay away. Clouds may hide the sun, but we find our fun. Dance until we're spun, till the night is won.
I have this little cabinet that I bought, and I put this cabinet in my toilet room area. Most people don't really care about like decorating like their toilet room area, but I like to like jazz mine up a little bit just because I feel like it's my I feel like it's my little getaway area. It's like all enclosed. It's like where I get like my alone time, pray in there a lot. So I just like to set the area up because I don't want to be looking at blank walls. Even though it's just a toilet area, I do like to make it like a functional space as well. So we're gonna carry this in there, and then I got this picture that I'm gonna put on the wall in there. And like I said, we're just gonna make it kind of like a more functional space in here. All right, guys, so we've made it in here. This is my little toilet room area. This is where I put it at, up in this corner here. Originally when I imagined it, I imagined getting one that was like kind of a little bit wider, a tad bit taller. So I do like this, but if I see one that goes a little bit more longer and a little bit more wider, then I may switch it out and put this one somewhere else. But for now, I'm gonna put it in there room area. So this is how it's looking, but I do have this picture. I do have this picture here that I am going to put it over here above this, and then some little things to put on it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alrighty guys, so this is how it turned out, and I actually am I like it. I think it's cute for just for what I made it. I am probably gonna find me a little sign or something that says like pray, because like I said, this is like my little enclosed safe space, and I do like pray a lot in here as well. So I got my candle there, and I think it's cute. And this little it has like little storage there if I want to put something there, and then it's like storage here where I can open it up as well. And I'm probably going to store like my lady products in there as well. So I think that is really cute. And then I do have like all the tissue and stuff here. I think I'm probably going to get rid of this stand here and add like a plant or something there, and then store like some of the tissue in there. But most of all, it's cute, guys. So alrighty guys, so that is pretty much it as far as decorating. I absolutely love how everything turned out. So I'm gonna give you guys just like a b-roll of like all of the stuff I added in, and then like I said, I'll definitely update you guys if I add any more things in here. Well, I'm definitely am going to. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a b-roll of everything